Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today with a new scholarship video, and today video is about University of Padua in Italy, which is a national university in a public university in Italy. So today I will guide you about that, what kind of scholarship they are offering, because they have a Padua International Excellence Scholarship Program, which international students can apply. Only a bachelor and a master's degree students can apply on these scholarships. So you can watch all of the information on the main page of the websites. I will share all of the link in the website link, then you will get all of the information. So let's move toward a little bit information, and then I will guide you that how you can submit your application. The University of Padua offer up to 68 scholarships to highly talented international students, and this one amount of scholarship is about fee waiver plus 8,000 scholarship. It means that your totally fee is paid, and you will get 8,000 pounds gross amount per each year. The only amount to be paid by beneficiary student for each year consistent of admission fee. And the duration of the excellence scholarship is, if you are going to apply for a master degree program, then you will get 2 year continuous scholarship, and if you're going to apply for a 3 year bachelor program, then it will be a 3 year scholarship. After duration indicated above, the beneficiary student will be required to cover their own expenses. It means that if you expand the limit of your degree, then you have to pay by yourself. And who can apply on this scholarship? Who Highly talented prospective international students from all over the world wishing to enroll in one University of Padua bachelor master degree held in English. So how to apply? You can be considered for the selection procedure under penalty of exclusion if you meet the requirement. First of all, you shouldn't have Italian citizenship, and second one, that hold on Italian. If you have Italian degree like a bachelor or single, you are not eligible for that scholarship. Do not reside in Italy and apply to one or more of the above mentioned degree program completely taught in English at the University of Padua. And one of the great thing is that when you submit your application, you will be automatically considered for the excellence scholarship program. You don't need to submit any separate application toward scholarship and admission program. Like I will show you on the main page, if you meet these requirements, you will be automatically considered for the selection procedure. There is no separate application for additional specific document to be submitted beside those required to apply for the selected degree program. It means that if you submit your application for the required program, you will automatically considered for the excellence scholarship. So, what is the selection criteria? The academic committee of each degree program shortlists eligible applicant and award the most deserving candidate the scholarship based on academic excellence. It means that if your documentation are good, for example, you have a higher CGPA, you have a good command on your research, you have any publication, you have any research related experience, then it will a plus point toward Italy, because in Italy when you apply for a degree program, and they will consider everything step by step. It mean that your degree have a separate points, your research status have a separate point, your documentation like your research proposal, your motivation letter, your study plan, anything extra is additional document, they have a separate point, so they count like 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 50 like that. So every document have a value when you are going to apply for Italy. Then most of people also didn't get any response from Italy University, only a rejection. The reason is that when you submit your application, your degree should be relevant to the program. Otherwise, they will reject it. Because the same case will happen in with me in 2024 when when I'm gonna apply for the Italy. I was basically my degree. My degree was in a different field, but I'm gonna apply for a different field. That's why they clearly rejected my degree. Okay, so the acceptance, if you are offered a Padua International Excellence Scholarship, will receive a Padua International Excellence Scholarship offer indicating the procedure and the deadline to be accepted. Okay, and payment arrangement and maintenance requirement. The scholarship will be paid in two installments, like 4,000 each year. Like for example, they will give you a £4,000 in the beginning of the year, and then a 4,000 pound in the mid of the year. It means the in two installment. Revocation, the university will revoke your application. How they can revoke it? you do not obtain the least 20 ECTs by 30 November of the following, and you decide to transfer it to another university or withdraw your status. For example, if you wanna withdraw your study or degree program, you wanna go apply for another university, then they will revoke your applications. So this one is basically scholarship plus fee waiver is for 2026 and 2027. Okay, now we will move that what kind of programs they are offering for toward our international students. Like here they mentioned that who can apply bachelor master degree in health and completely in English. Just click on a bachelor or a master degree, they will open all of the programs which are available in English. Like for a bachelor degree, School of Agriculture Science and Veterinary, School of Economic and Political Science, School of Engineering, School of Psychology, School of Human and Social Science and Cultural Heritage, School of Sciences. So these programs are available for a bachelor. And for a master program there is a lot of program and lot of departments are available. I cannot read all of the department and their names, so you can check on the main website here. So let's see that if you want to apply on a one program, for example, if I choose any one of the program like a biotechnology or food sciences and forest sciences, after click on that one they will open this page. They will open the main page of the department. Like I choose about biotechnology for food sciences, is they mention all of the information here. And then they mention is that call for application international students. And the one tier of the application is already passed, so they have a two tiers. For example, call on to 2 November 2025 to 2 February. It means that this phase is already passed. And second one is 2 March 2026 to 2 May. It means that they are open and you have almost April and May, almost 2 months to apply on this, 1.5 month to apply on this scholarship. So application platform, when you want to apply on that one, you can just click on application platform. After clicking on application platform, for example, if I click on this one, they will open a page where you have to make up your account. Because I just already make an account on it, that's why they are showing like that. So after they will ask you that you have account, otherwise you have to write up your email address and they will send you some kind of verification link and you have to confirm it. After confirmation you will after login you will get this page. And this page they have a lot of information. You can find a program. If you want to change your program, you can click on find program and they will give you a lot of information. And any funding and fee, study in Padua, services and arriving and living in Padua, and task. Okay, because I already choose a biotechnology for a food science, just click on edit application. After clicking on that one, they will open a new page where will get almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and seven steps to complete your application. The first one they mentioned that you have to read all of the information which are priorities. uh, and then if you want to add another program, just click on add more choices. And here you can choose your program and just click on find and click on that one and they will open. You can look at this one, they are already showing some programs here which are open now. Okay, after you have to click on profile. On the profile section you have to mention all of the information regarding your name, your gender, your birth date, your passport country issuing, and a country of residence. And please mark the answer correct apply to you. I'm a non EU citizen and I do not have a valid Italian residence permit. You have to click on this one, because if you choose any other one like you have Italian residency, you are not eligible for any kind of scholarship. Formal photo, you are required to upload a formal photo of yourself. You have to upload your photo and the size should be 2 MB in the JPEG. And the important is that important information that because they are asking for a photo, this photo will be used for at a university card later on if you get admission successfully. Okay, let's move toward the second option. Toward is a contact. In the contact section you have to write up your email and your telephone number, your street address, your postal code, and you have to mention your country. And then we have to move toward education section. In the education section you have to write up all of the information from your previous graduation. For example, your last your I choose a master degree program, so you have to write up the information about your secondary education. You have to add your intermediate education and your bachelor education. Both are important. Okay, so just for example, I choose a bachelor program here because I just completed that one. And then is a graduation you already completed or is expected in the coming month or year. Official name of school, you have to write up the official name of your school or university or college. Nominal length of program name. For example, you choose a biotechnology, your country from where you are applying depends on the country. Award qualification, study location, and diploma issue date, study language, your what is your GPA, and a maximum GPA average grade possible. And then if you want to add an other information here, you can just add, click on that one, and do you have to add it. And the second option, I already told you that you have to mention apply for you have to add two information about your previous education. First one is for intermediate, and second one is for bachelor studies. Please select your entry qualification country. So you have to choose your country, because for Pakistan I will choose a country for Pakistan. And then you have to save it. After save it, you have to move other section, which is the language is a major issue all over when you're gonna apply for a scholarship. So that's why you have to read all of the information on the the website. So before going to this one, I give you some information. Give priority to the language instruction of the degree program you choose. The If the degree program of your choice is taught in English, indicate the information related to your English language certificate. If the degree program of choice is Italian, okay, let's see that what is your native language. You have to choose your native language is that, and the last date, insert a new language. You can add a new language, and here you can mention the test date. If you have any test, you can mention it. Otherwise, there is no red marks on it, so you can leave this part as it is. It's not an issue. And after that is a document. No document have been uploaded yet because I didn't add any information in the profile. As I add all of the information, they will show up, because I didn't add bachelor and intermediate, and that's why they are not showing any document to upload it. After that one, you have to click on other if they require a medical information. If in case you it is important to inform the university of your medical condition, your additional request information, sources, please let us know how you found the information. Special need, how will you finance your study? So you can click on scholarship, because scholarship, this will directly, this application will directly accept it in the scholarship section if you are eligible for a scholarship. Select from the available option how you will finance your study at the University of Padua. In case your application accepted in your offer admission, you have to choose this one. This question is only for statistical purpose. It will not influence the evaluation your application. After that, you have to click on, adding all of the information. You have to check all of the things. And one more thing, you can look at here. This is a submit option. After completing your application, you have to click on submit. But you can see that they are showing time until deadline in 1 month. So you have 1 month to apply on this scholarship. And the last option is a checklist. You have to upload all of the information. You can see that they are asking me a lot of information. Because I didn't add any kind of information here, so that's why you have to add all of the information here. Then you will be accepted for an application. And after completing all of the things, you have to submit your application. And again, I'm telling you that and one more thing is that because is a University of Padua, is have an application fee. You have to pay an application fee. Each program have a different, bachelor have a different application fee, and a master student have a different application fee. But they are providing you 8,000 pound per year scholarship and free fee waiver. That's why it's not a big deal if you're gonna apply paying some fee toward a university, because today's scholarship and university market is so complex. And if you get any university you have a fee, it's better to apply on that university, because a lot of students just ignore those universities because they have application fee. But those who pay it, they get the information, get the scholarship. So in 50, 60, and 30 pound or your dollars are not a big amount for your future. It's such amount you eat pizzas, and you can upload watch a reel and lot of things on that money. So share this video with your friend, that so all of the people can get this kind of opportunity, and they can move toward Italy. And now a little bit information about a visa process. They are going to good, so better is that you can prepare your document on time, test your document on time, everything should be on time, then there is no issue in a visas or appointment. When you do some kind of work at on time, then it will be difficult for appointment or visa. So remember me in your prayer. Until the next video, I will upload another video on a Monday, and they will be on for different countries. So those who are new on my channel, they can hit a bell icon, and if you have any question, you can comment it, so I will guide you in those way. Allah Hafiz.